Welcome to Fresh Finds, your personal recipe companion. My name is Nikhita Baruah,
And I'm Hiya Patel.
and we are the creators of Fresh Finds. Our web app is essentially a targeted recipe finder catered to your dietary needs. We created this app primarily for those with heavily restricted diets, like those who are vegan, vegetarian, or lactose intolerant.
To create Fresh Finds, we used HTML and CSS for the front end and JavaScript for the back end. We're excited to share how exactly our web app works.
Let's dive right in.
When you enter the web app, you are greeted by this page explaining what our web app is. When you click on the rotate button, it'll greet you to the next slide, and this was all made by scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this to work. Next, you can click on the login, which will redirect you to the login page. You can either log in or register. Decided to register, and I'll put my name as Jane Doe for now. And when you can do this, you'll put your name, email, and password. The name will be used for the account page, and the email and password will be saved into a database. After we're done with this, we'll agree to the terms and conditions, and I will register, and it'll lead us to the home page.
Okay, so this is the home page. As you can see, the user has a wide variety of recipes they can view. We can just view the recipe by clicking the View Recipe button. Let's add it to favorites. All these recipe cards in the homepage were created using JavaScript. So we just had an array of different recipes, and we made a JavaScript inner HTML to automatically code the recipes.
While you're on the favorites page, you also have the ability to remove your favorite recipes if you so wish. I might remove the spaghetti if I want. And we'll go on to the account page. And here you can just choose if you're gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan. I chose diabetic and low carb, and this will affect your recommendations.
We have a search bar that allows the user to filter out recipes that they want. Let's say chocolate chip cookies, or maybe some spaghetti. So when we search, the recipe comes up. Then we can view the recipe, remove from favorites to the recipe page as well. And once we go back to home, and all the recipes are back again.
To code all of this, we used Visual Studio Code, and using Visual Studio Code, we used JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. HTML and CSS created all these cool animations that you're seeing, and JavaScript worked on the back end, which is why the search bar worked, and removing and adding favorites. And here I'm showing the login page. And a lot of these codes have over 300 lines of code, and it was really fun making this. Thank you for watching this. Bye!